In this video, let us see the methods that are implemented on Boolean type. There are two methods, then and then some. The conditional control flow if returns Boolean. We can use these methods on this Boolean and we can make it efficient. Argument passed to method then some is eagerly evaluated and argument passed to method then is lazily evaluated. Then some has one generic argument t, which is a valid Rust type, and it may be a closure or function. Then some returns option of t. Method then has one argument f, which should be fn once, and it returns option of generic t. We will learn about fn, fn once, fn mute, generics in future sections. Here I created two variables x equal to 10 and y equal to 20 and a closure sqr which receives i32 and returns i32. In line 288 I directly used method then sum on true. We can also use then them on any boolean result. Here if method then sum operates on true means it returns option of given variable, here x, that is sum of 10. If it is false means then sum will returns none. Here the result of x greater than 5 is true and we can cascade then sum with it and it returns option of x. Now the result of a is sum is true and we cascade then sum with it and returns option of x. And we can also use then sum on the result of methods like is okay, is error, is sum, is none. In line 291 we can directly use method then with boolean. Here method then receives fn once closure and returns option of i32 because variable I is i32. Now run the project and see the result. Result 1 is from method then sum, which is sum of 10, and result 2 is from method then, which is sum of 400. Now kindly note line number 296. I need your attention. Here I passed closure inc as argument of then sum. As we learned in the start of this video, then sum is eagerly evaluated. We will see it in a minute. Here in line 298, the result of then sum is sum of unit tuple, that is nothing, and the value of a is 1. This is because of function inc is evaluated eagerly, so a is incremented by 1. See here, if then sum operates with true means it returns sum. If then sum operates with false means it returns none. This is same to method then also. Now let me change all condition result to false. Now apply then sum and then on result false. Now run the project. See, even though the result are none, but still function inc is evaluated. So it increments value a to 1, that is eagerly evaluated. Let us see it still more clear and use then sum on true in line 298 and on false in line 301. As we know, then sum is eagerly evaluated, so inc is called twice and a is incremented twice. Here we cannot use mutable variable as immutable, while it is borrowed as mutable. Still, let us see it one more time. Now, this time You try this and get understand. As a short note, then sum on true with generic t yields sum of t. Then sum on false with generic yields none. Generic t may be valid Rust type or function. If it is function means it evaluated eagerly. Also, then on true with closure returns sum of t. T is a result from function. Then on false with closure returns none. Thank you.